Sophie and Pinay! Welcome back to our channel. And guys, behind the other vlog, ito yung mga activity ni Sophie sa school. From the starting of the school, and then weekend activity, rollerblade. She's still practicing this time. But now she little know na how to balance, and she enjoy her rollerblade. She's growing up na guys. That's why she have her own activities to do in every weekend of her teenager now. So this is the mummies and the Teacher's Day. This is their Teacher's Day program. And then
Okay, very good. Okay, ready? Are you ready, grade 4? Okay. Hands up. Sit down, boys. At the front, yes. Front. Junicel, sit down. Junicel, Anastasia, sit down. Sit down. There. Sit down. Hands up.
hi, welcome to Sophie and Pinay. So today guys, we are ready for the foundation day of the Sophie school. We are outside of our gate and we are ready to
Go!
Gora. So Tara,
Let's!
this. Ito na yun guys. The day is the day. So maglakad lang kami guys kasi walang tagahatid natin guys. At saka dadaan pa kami ng mabilhan ng snacks. Kasi ang bus natin guys is 2:30. So start to go. Start to go. Outfit check. Ting. Okay, Sophie outfit. Ting. That is their uniform guys. for the because they have to dance. And guys, naglakad tayo guys, bro. Iba naman tong pwesto na guys. Yung location ng pinaglakaran natin. Ibang iba. Okay guys. Kasi sasakay tayo ng bus. To ride bus ngayon guys. So 2:30 ang bus natin. Kaya ito papuntahan tayo sa bus stop. Ganito talaga ang maghanap buhay guys. So kailangan kahit anong mangyari mag-vlog talaga guys para meron tayong pambili ng napkin. Ang init guys, no? Hindi naman halata. Halata guys, mainit. Yeah guys. Just up this. The other side. Have to walk. Medyo mainit guys. Lagyan na natin guys, ang tiparan natin guys. Wow. Hi chicks. Hi chicks. Yung isa oh. Ganyan pag excited, hindi na nag-iintay. Hala. Nauna talaga siya sa akin. Nakala niya mauna siyang dumating doon. Hindi niya alam, nasabay pa rin kami. Pero iniwanan na niya ako. Tingnan mo. Yan na siya. Guys. It's so hot. Yala. Peace ganda. Yala. Ano ba yan? Ba't dyan ka dumaan? Sophie with her white combination green. Kaya ako naka-green din guys. Tapos black pants. Kasi black. Wala akong white shoes. Kaya silver shoes. Pwede na guys. Matching sa team ng grade 4. Ganun talaga. Mag-effort din ang mami. Okay guys. Harap na naman sa akin guys. Yan. Oh. The supportive mom. Go here. Kasi may sasakyan. Oh, see? Oh. Wait for me na. Parang, why, you thinking you will reach ahead than me?
Yeah.
We're still the same. 2:30 in the afternoon. And they will start at 4 o'clock. Because 2:30, 2:43, our bus. We reach in the first stop of the bus where we change another bus for Moror. Kasi sa Moror ang dome guys. So, dadaan pa kami ng supermarket. Kasi bibili kami ng mabitbit na snacks. Tubig, snacks. Kasi hanggang 9 o'clock pa. Tapos without food, without drinks. At saka kape natin guys. Coffee is life, you know na. See. Ganito kainit sa mundo. This is UAE. Kung ganito kainit guys, it means nasa UAE kayo. Alam na. Oh, stop muna kasi maraming sasakyan. Sige guys. Update ko kayo guys ha pag nandyan ang bus. Tatawid muna kami guys. Hello guys, update guys. Waiting for the bus. We are under in our umbrella. Nandito kami sa bus stop.
Mainit siya guys, pero may hangin. Halata naman guys, our hair is flying. Pero, hot. This is life in New York, guys. Hi.
Hi.
Are you excited of your presentation?
Yeah.
You think you will win?
Maybe.
So don't be nervous. Concentrate on the steps. Yeah. Foundation day, guys. So good, so good. Grade 4, guys. Grade 4 semi height na, guys. What to do? No, our height, guys, is 6-footer, guys. That's why 6-footer, sobrang putot, guys. That's why. So guys, update you later again, guys. What happened? Guys, nasa ano na kami guys, overpass para sa kabila. At doon na kami sasakay ng papuntang Morro. Guys, the road. Ito guys, overpass. May oras pa naman guys. Nagpapasok kami ng bus station para bumili ng snacks. May ano kasi doon, malaking grocery. Okay guys. So, later again guys. Update ko kayo. Ano nang susunod. Basta, sama ko kayo sa buong araw namin na kaganapan ngayon sa Foundation Day ng school ni Sophie. Bababa na guys. Going down, going down. Hello guys. Aking building. Now guys, we're going inside the bus station. Hindi ko kayo madala kasi para bawal ata. Sige guys, dito na lang. See you later again. Guys, update. Nasa Al Jazeera na tayo guys. Naglakad tayo. Ito yung Al Jazeera. Guys, at saka hindi namin alam kung saan kami papasok. Sa kabila pa guys. Maglakad pa kami guys. Ito yun. This is it. Sunset. Coming back. Sa likod ata guys. May mga ano dito oh. Sa likod.
See my bus jeep.
Where?
Over there. Into this place.
Huh?